At the bathroom. Today, we're diving into one of the most important rooms in every house, the bathroom. From essential item to common vocabulary, we will explore everything that you need to know about this space. Let's get started. Bath mat, toilet, seat, to lift up, to flush, toilet paper, toilet roll, to wipe, bathtub, rod, curtain, to soak in or have a bath, to run a bath, bath stall, wash basin, tap or faucet, sink, to cup water in your hand, to gargle, to spit out, toothbrush, brush your teeth, toothpaste, to squeeze out, towel rack, rack, towel, dry yourself, washcloth, mirror, to be steamed up, rain shower, shower head, to rinse out, to take shower, shampoo, cleanser, waste plug, stopper, drain, put in, to drain or pull out, comb, hairbrush, comb, hairspray, hair gel, curlier, straighter, straighten your hair, hair dryer, dry your hair, tweezer, dental floss, mouthwash, cotton swab, cotton pad or Q-tip, liquid soap, soap, to lather, shaving cream, razor, trim your beard, electric razor,